Hi friends, Kurumzari. Today I am going to show you how to make Eromba, a very popular comfort food of Manipuris. This cuisine has a unique blend of flavor and can be served as side dish to rice and other dishes. If you like the video and haven't clicked the button yet, please do consider subscribing the channel. It will motivate me a lot. So let's get started. First of all, let me show you how you should be chopping the vegetables. I have taken a medium-sized potato which weighs around 150 grams. I will be chopping it up into 4 pieces like this. 2 potatoes of similar sizes will be used for this recipe. Now I am taking a handful of French beans. I am going to reduce their length. We should not chop them up into very fine pieces. This much length, that is about 1.5 inch, is fine. This vegetable is Indo Malayan taro. We call it Yendem in Manipuri language. What is the name of this special plant in your native language? Please let me know in the comments. Let's remove the flappy middle portion a little bit like this. The rest I will be chopping it up in the same way as before to give medium length pieces. I am going to use 6 small stems for this recipe. The cut fresh veggies are ready now. Our next special ingredient is dry petai or sting bean, or Yongchak in my mother tongue. I am going to give it a nice cut at the tip. Please watch it carefully. Let me show you what is inside this black cover. So this is it. These 3 beans are known to have many health benefits apart from their rich nutritional value. I am going to soak these beans in water for 4 hours. It's very important to soak them at least 2 hours before we start our cooking. Only then water will get inside through the slit which we had cut earlier, making it to expand double times the size. After 4 hours of soaking in water, we can see a much bigger size sting beans. Time has come to reveal the star ingredient of this authentic dish, Ngari, which is a traditional fermented dry fish product of Manipur. I am going to roast 7-8 Ngari pieces slightly on a jali roaster like this. In addition to its high nutritional value and probiotic properties, it has strong taste which could enhance the flavor of any dish which we are cooking it with. So for this reason known to us, it has become a regular condiment in the daily diets of Manipuri people. This step of roasting is totally optional. You can skip it as we are going to steam cook it again. It is just my liking for the pleasant smoky aroma which comes from dry roasting Ngari. So I will be proceeding with both the steps of roasting and steaming the dry fermented fish. It is done. Roasting for about 30 to 40 seconds, that is less than a minute, is just enough. Now I am going to gently wash it thoroughly with water so that the carbon or burnt particles are removed. Moving on to our next step, I will be taking 1 cup water in a pressure cooker. Now I am going to transfer all the vegetable that we have chopped up earlier, including Yongchak. Let's keep this small bowl containing roasted Ngari on top of the cut vegetables and allow it to steam cook further with its lid closed. Adding 6 dried red chillies as well. You can add more according to your preference of spiciness. Let it cook inside the pressure cooker for few minutes at medium-high flame. After 4 whistles, let it cool down immediately and transfer the boiled vegetable to a big bowl. Once they are out, peel off the potato cover. It will be easier now. Let's mash it with the help of a glass until they are coarsely ground. Let's take out the red chillies and keep them inside the bowl containing ngari. Let's add salt as per taste. Now I am going to mash it with my bare hands and not with a mixer, following the traditional method. When the ngari chili paste is ready, I am going to add it to the other bowl and mix it thoroughly until all the ingredients are well combined. Let me fish out the chili membrane to give a clean look to the Eromba. Time to add little water. You can adjust the amount of water used according to your needs. If you want more thinner consistency, add more water. More mixing continues after that until the Eromba becomes smoother in texture and little more starchy. Finally, garnish it with Mayangton or lemon basil leaves and chopped spring onion bulbs, and we are done. So friends, you should definitely try making this easiest of all the authentic Manipuri cuisine. I am pretty sure you will love its unique flavorful taste. That's all for today. Keep watching and stay connected, and please do subscribe the channel. See you all in my next video. Until then, bye bye.